Hello and welcome to this Booksy tutorial video on how to send a message blast to your client database. So when we talk about message blasts, we're basically talking about any mass direct message to your database. So to do that, the first thing we're going to do is to hit the More tab on the Booksy Biz app. This can all be done on the Booksy Biz web version, but for this example, I'm going to show you how to do it on the mobile app. So once we've hit the More tab, you'll see there's a few options here, and we're going to head over to the Marketing option here. And then we're going to choose Message Blast. Now, the first thing we're prompted to do is to choose our channel for the Message Blast. So we've got a few channels here. We've got email, SMS or text message, and push notification. Now, each of these has their advantages and limitations, but in this example, we're just going to send an email. Now, on all those channels, you'll have a selection of templates to choose from. You should also look out for any seasonal templates that have been added there by Booksy. So we'll often release seasonal templates that are useful for pretty much all businesses to send. So for instance, during Christmas, Halloween, and this kind of thing. So do take a look and see if there's a template that's pretty close to what you want to send anyway. And it might just inspire you on some particular content that you want to add to your own message. So we're going to choose this template here. And now I can customize this. Any template that I choose, I can customize it to my own liking. I can add relevant information for me, for my situation here. I can change the picture here to make it my own. So in this case, I'm just going to announce to my clients that I'm now taking appointments via Booksy. I'm going to put my subdomain in there so that it's really easy for them to click it and go straight to my profile. Now, once I'm happy with the content, I can just hit continue. And here I'm prompted to choose which clients I want to send the campaign to. So if I hit the edit button, you'll see I'm presented with quite a few options here of basically which segments of clients you want to send it to. So you can send it to your whole database. In this case, because I'm sending an email, it will send it to only the clients who I've got an email address for, which is 28. But I can also choose to send it to a particular segment. So for instance, I could send it to clients whose birthday it is within a week. Maybe I want to send them a special offer because it's their birthday. Or there's my personal favorite, which is the slipping away clients. So this is basically any clients who haven't booked in with you for a particular time period. So it's a great way to message clients who haven't been back to check up how they're doing, let them know that you miss them, or maybe entice them back in with a special offer. So in this case, I'm going to choose the all clients list. And it's given me that there's 28 email messages will be sent. So once I'm happy with everything and maybe I've double checked my content that it's all to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And it gives me this little mini summary here. So it sent it to 27 of 28. It's possible that that last one has unsubscribed from my emails. I'll get a report in my inbox now that just breaks down why that last message wasn't sent. So I can go ahead to my inbox and just check there what the situation is. And that's it. Your message has been sent. So I can go back to my calendar and crack on with my appointments. So I hope you found this tutorial video useful. Do check out the other tutorial videos on our YouTube page. If you do have any queries at all, just hit the More button, scroll down to the customer support chat and pop up with any of your queries. Be more than happy to help.